In this problem, the data is not given in a format that PHStat would readily use it. So once you compute the mean and the mean and the range for each sample, you can just simply copy all of that. You can just simply copy all of the mean and median ranges. um, you can paste it as numbers and just simply delete the extra rows and make it ready for PHStat. Here I have done that, and so you can come to Excel Add-in, PHStat, control chart, and I believe there were one, two, three, four, yes. There were four samples of size 4. So when we go to control charts, we will select 4, or I will type in 4 here. Range cells are here. I want X bar and R chart. X bars are here. And with that, your charts are ready.